ng isang panalangin ni Consiel Jesus Tagapahardo Jr.
In the name of the Father, Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen. Heavenly Father, we come to you today asking for guidance, wisdom, and support as we begin this session. Help us to engage in meaningful discussion. Allow us to grow closer as a group and nurture the bonds of community. Fill us with your grace, Lord God, as we make decisions that might affect our community and continue to remind us that all we are doing here today, all that we accomplish is for the pursuit of the truth, for the greater glory of you, and for the service of humanity. We ask these things in your name. Amen. In the name of the Father, Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen.
The regular session of the City Council is now called to order.
Panunumpa sa watawat ng Pilipinas. Ako ay Pilipino, buong katapatang nanunumpa sa watawat ng Pilipinas at sa bansang kanyang sinasagisag na may dangal, katarungan at kalayaan na pinakikilos sa sambayan ng makadiyos, makatao, makakalikasan at makabansa.
Mr. Secretary, please call the roll of members.
Under First District, Honorable Irma Alfonso Huson, Honorable Nino de la Cruz, Honorable Jesus Pajardo Jr., Honorable Martin Isidro Jr., Honorable Moises Lim, Honorable Eric Ian Nieva. Under Second District, Honorable Ruben Benaventura, Honorable Rodolfo Laksamana, Honorable Macario Lacson, Honorable Numero Lim, Honorable Roma Paula Robles Dalus, Honorable Darwin Sia. Under 3rd District, Honorable Terence Alibarbar, Honorable Arlene Malia Chensa, Honorable Pamela Papagoso Pascual, Honorable Ernesto Isip Jr., Honorable Johanna Maureen Nieto Rodriguez, Honorable Timothy Oliver Sarcal. Under 4th District, Honorable Cristel Maribacani, Honorable Don Juan DJ Bagat Singh, Honorable Luisito Chua, Honorable Luisa Marile de Quintostan, Honorable Science Reyes, Honorable Joel JTB Villanueva. Under 5th District, under 5th District, Honorable Laris Borromeo, Honorable Roberto Espiritu II, Honorable J.B. Hizon, Honorable Ricardo Boy Isip Jr., Honorable Chari Ortega, Honorable Raimundo Yopanco. Under 6th District, Honorable Benny Pagabante III, Honorable Carlos Castañeda, Honorable Salvador Philip Lacuna, Honorable Elmer Par, Honorable Luis Uy, Honorable Luciano Veloso, ex-officio members, Honorable Elani Marie Lacuna, and Honorable Juliana Ray M. Ibay. Your Honor, as of 2:06 in the afternoon, we have 24 councilors present on this 103 regular session.
24 members answered the first roll call. We have a quorum. 1 minute recess declared by the chair.
Plaza La Liga Filipina Enhancement. The Department of Tourism, Culture and Arts of Manila seeks to go beyond welcoming guests and maintaining artifacts, bringing the limited functions of the Manila Tourism and Cultural Bureau to an entirely different level. They have identified 8 areas in Manila that may boost engagement of a bigger volume of visitors to the city. Hub 1. Tondo. At present, this widely residential area attracts tourists with its shopping mecca, Divisoria and Tutuban, the KKK Monument, Plaza La Liga Filipina, Plaza Marga, Plaza Moriones, Santo Niño Church, Tutuban Center, and Vitas Skate Park, which mainly entices same-day visitors. The plan includes improvement of the following areas: Plaza La Candula redevelopment, Plaza La Liga Filipina enhancement, Ugbo Food Strip, and Perfecto Endaya Food Strip. Hub 2, Binondo Escolta. A trip to this part of Manila would always involve a gastronomical experience mixed with cultural sightseeing. Today, 168 Mall, Antonio Luna House, Binondo Church, Burke Building, Chinatown, Lucky Chinatown, Escolta Street, and Plaza Lorenzo Ruiz are their main crowd drawers. DT-CAM and BioDev propose to redevelop Escolta and Muelle del Banco Nacional. Hub 3, Santa Cruz, the only standalone hub among the 8. It is known as the flower capital of the metro for Dangwa, as well as the trade center for medical equipment. DT-CAM and BioDev's projects include redevelopment of the Dangwa Flower Market, enhancement of Plaza Santa Cruz and Plaza Lacson, beautification of the LRT stations. Hub 4, Quiapo San Miguel Hub. While the Feast of the Black Nazarene always drives a trove of followers to the areas surrounding the Quiapo Church, there are other Mansion, Malacanang Palace, Manila Golden Mosque and Cultural Center, Bautista Nakpil Heritage House, Plaza Miranda, Quinta Market, and San Miguel Church. The plan includes Plaza Miranda redevelopment, Carriedo
The Majority Floor Leader.
When on item number 7 is reading and approve of the minutes of the regular session held on October 5, 10, 12, and 24, 2023, I move that we dispense of the reading of the said minutes. Dispense with the reading of the said minutes.
There's a motion to dispense with the reading and approval of the minutes of the regular session held on October 5, 10, 12, and 24 of 2023. Is there any objection? Seeing none, motion is carried.
I move we honor that we approve the minutes of the regular sessions held on October 5, 10, 12, and 24, 2023.
There is a motion to approve the minutes of the regular sessions held on October 5, 10, 12, and 24, 2023. Is there any objection? Seeing none, motion is carried.
We are now on item number 8, is business for the day. May I ask our secretary to read all items under item number 8.
Mr. Secretary, please read.
Item number 1 for first reading is draft ordinance number 8622, an ordinance further strengthening the City of Manila's STI, HIV, and AIDS prevention and control mechanisms, providing funds therefore and for other purposes, amending for the purpose ordinance number 8179 as amended, otherwise known as the City of Manila's STI, HIV, and AIDS prevention and control ordinance of 2013, as per basic papers authored by Honorable Ruben F. Benaventura.
I move we honor that we refer item number 1 to the Committee on Health only.
There's a motion to refer item number 1 to the Committee on Health and Appropriation.
Committee on Health only.
Committee on Health. Is there any objection? Seeing none, motion is carried.
Item number 2, a letter from Dr. Arnold M. Pangan, MD, RSW, MPA, MMHOA, City Health Officer, Manila, Health Department, relative to the herein attached preceding communications to the draft ordinance entitled an ordinance enacting the institutionalization of a functional disaster risk reduction and management in health, DRRM-H, system in the citywide health systems of Manila with the City Legal Office clearance and recommendation as per basic papers.
I move we honor that we refer item number 2 to the Committee on Health.
There's a motion to refer item number 2 to the Committee on Health. Is there any objection? Seeing none, motion is carried.
Item number 3, a letter from Dr. Leilani Marie H. Lacuna, ex officio City Councilor and President, Liga ng mga Barangay sa Manila, relative to the submission of the requirements for the confirmation and recognition as ex officio member of the City Council of Manila or Sangguniang Panlungsod as per basic papers.
I move we honor that we tackle on the floor item number 3.
There's a motion by the Majority Floor Leader to tackle item number 3. Is there any objection? Seeing none, motion is carried.
Your Honor, may I ask our Secretary to please read the letter from Dr. Leilani Marie H. Lacuna, ex officio City Councilor and President, Liga ng mga Barangay sa Maynila, relative to the submission of the requirement for the confirmation and recognition of, as ex officio member of the City Council of Manila.
Mr. Secretary.
Endorsement dated January 2, 2024 from the Liga ng mga Barangay, Manila Chapter. Respectfully transmitted to Honorable John Marvin Yul Servo C. Nieto, Vice Mayor and Presiding Officer of the City Council of Manila, to Attorney Luch R. Jempis Jr., Secretary to the City Council of Manila, the herein enclosed requirements relative to the confirmation and recognition of the undersigned as ex officio member of the City Council, Sangguniang Panlungsod of Manila, to wit. Letter A, pertinent documents, in particular, as accomplished, submitted, and original copy or certified true copies and correct by the Board of Canvassers, the Election Committee, and the Board of Election Supervisors. Number 1, original copy or certified true copy of the certificates of canvass and proclamation. Number 2, statement of votes. And number 3, official tally sheets. And letter B, attestation certified and signed by Attorney Jericho M. Jimenez, Election Officer 4, Commission on Elections, City of Manila, and Chairman of Board of Election Supervisors, together with their members. Letter C, minutes of the election meeting, dated 15th of December 2023, original copy, the Election Committee, signed by Punong Barangay Danny P. Calapano, Chairman, Board of Election Committee from Barangay 604, Zone 60, District 6, Manila. Punong Barangay Leia F. Chua, Member from Barangay 6, Zone 1, District 1. Punong Barangay Elena E. De Fiesta, Member from Barangay 642, Zone 66, District 6, Manila. And Punong Barangay Rolando N. Tubato, Member from Barangay 746, Zone 81, District 5, Manila. Letter D, certification from DILG Manila issued and signed by Director John A. Vizca, CESO 5, City Director, Manila Field Office, City of Manila. And letter E, oath of office dated January 2, 2024, oath and signed by the Honorable Maria Sheila Hani H. Lacuna Pangan, MD, FPDS, City Mayor, Manila. For His Honor's information, preferential attention, and favorable action. Best regards, signed, Dr. Leilani Marie H. Lacuna, ex-officio City Councilor and President, Liga ng mga Barangay sa Maynila.
With that, Your Honor, I move that we open the period of discussion and debate.
There is a motion to open the period of discussion and debate. Is there an objection? Seeing none, motion is carried.
May I seek recognition of our Honorable Dr. Leilani Marie H. Lacuna, ex-officio City Councilor and overwhelming winner as President of Liga ng mga Barangay sa Maynila last elections.
Dr. Leilani Marie Lacuna is recognized.
Ginoong Tagapangulo, mga ginagalang kong mga kasama dito sa Sangguniang Panglungsod, sa aking mga kapwa pinuno ng Liga ng mga Barangay ng Maynila, mga minamahal kong kapatid sa barangayan, sa inyo pong lahat, isang mapagpalang hapon. Buong kababaang loob ko pong ipinahahayag ang aking pasasalamat sa buong Konseho ng Maynila sa muli niyong pagtanggap at pagkilala sa akin bilang ex-officio ng ating Sangguniang Panglungsod. Sa mga nagdaang taon, ang aking unang termino bilang Pangulo ng Liga ng mga Barangay ay ipinadama ninyo na pantay ang pagtingin at pagturing bilang inyong kaisa at kasama. Nais ko ring magpasalamat sa inyong lahat sa ipinamalas niyong suporta sa akin sa nakarang halalan ng Liga. Maraming salamat po, Vice Mayor Yul Servo Nieto at sa ating Mayora Hani. Sa pagiging konsehal, bilang kinatawan at boses ng 896 na barangay ng ating minamahal na lungsod, napakalaking tungkulin ito na nagbibigay ng isang napakahalagang pagkakataon at di malilimutang karanasan. Yan ang patuloy kong pagsisumikapang gampanan dito sa loob ng konseho. Tulungan po sana ninyo ako maging epektibong tulay ng barangayan sa ating pamahalang lungsod at ng pamahalang lungsod patungo sa lahat ng mga barangay. Muli po, maraming salamat po at patnubayan nawa tayo ng Diyos.
Maraming salamat, Councilor Leila Lacuna. Congratulations po sa inyong napaka-matagumpay na nakaraang laban. At kami naman po ay naniniwala sa inyong kakayahan na irepresentante ang mga barangay sa Maynila. At nakita namin ang iyong paglilingkod kung paano suportahan ang kanilang mga budget dito sa session hall. Kaya congratulations. Mabuhay ka kung si Leila Lacuna. Majority Floor Leader.
Your Honor, may seek recognition of Honorable Pamela Papagosa Pascual.
Councilor Pamela Papagosa Pascual is recognized.
Maraming salamat po. Gusto ko lang pong batiin ang aking kaibigan, si Konsehala Leila Lacuna, dahil alam ko naman na marami talaga siyang naitulong dito sa ating mga barangay. Biro niyo po, 896 barangays ang hawak niya. Tayo, ilan lang ang hawak natin barangay? Siya buong Maynila. Kaya, Konsehal Leila Lacuna, congratulations po. At maraming salamat sa lahat ng tulong po sa amin. Thank you.
Councilor Apple Nieto Rodriguez is recognized.
Yan, maraming salamat po. Ako po ay binabati ko po ng isang congratulation ng ating kasamahan, Konsehal Leilani Lacuna. Congratulations. Sabi nga ni Konsehal pa, 896 ay hindi po biro. Kaya sobrang bilib na bilib kami sa iyo at nandito lang kami para sa iyo. Handang tumulong. Muli, maraming salamat at congratulations.
Your Honor.
Councilor Irma Alfonso Huson is recognized.
Thank you, Your Honor. Your Honor, gusto ko lang pong i-congratulate si Konsehala Dr. Lei Lacuna sa isang napakagaling na pamamahala sa buong barangayan sa buong Maynila, Your Honor. Really commendable. Kaya naman, walang tututol talaga. 896, malamang sa kanya lahat yung boto. Bawas lang siguro isa o dalawa. Dahil ito po ang nagpapatunay na napakagaling ni Konsehala Lei Lacuna bilang presidente at humahawak sa buong barangay ng Maynila. Muli, my congratulations, Councilor Dr. Lei Lacuna. Siguro ang tagal mo pa dyan. Siguro ilang taong ka pa dyan nandyan. Kaya congratulations really and keep up the good work. Thank you, Your Honor.
Councilor Caloy Castañeda is recognized.
Maraming salamat po, Your Honor. Your Honor, nais ko lamang pong ipabot ang aking taus-pusong pagbati sa pagkakahalala sa ikalawang termino ng kagalang-galang na Leilani Marie H. Lacuna bilang presidente ng Liga ng mga Barangay ng Maynila. Nabasa ko po ang mga isinabmit na mga requirement para sa kanyang confirmation and recognition bilang ex-officio member ng Sangguniang Panlunsod. At ako po ay nalulugod na lahat po ay naayon sa itinakdang ng Section 494 ng Local Government Code. Kaya nga po, Your Honor, considering na lahat ng requirement ay naayon sa hinihiling ng batas, sa akin pong palagay ay wala nang dahilan upang patagalin pa natin ang konfirmasyon sa ating kasamahan ni Konsehal Leilani Lacuna. At this moment, Your Honor, congratulations po, Konsehal Leilani Lacuna. Sana po ipagpatuloy nyo yung mga nasimulan nyo, yung ginawa nyong magandang example na pinamunuan ang Liga ng mga Barangay. Again, congratulations po.
Councilor Dr. J. Benaventura.
Salamat po, Ginoong Tagapangulo. Binabati ko ang aking kapatid, Konsehal Lei Lacuna. 100% po ang pagbati ko. Basta Lacuna, dama ang programa, hindi sa salita, bagkus sa gawa. Maraming salamat po.
Councilor Rod Lacsamana.
Salamat po, Your Honor. Ako lang po ay gustong magpabatid ng pagbati po sa ating pong kasamahan, Konsehal Lacuna. Akala po namin noon ay kailangan pang gumalaw para ma-straight ang koponan ng Liga Kapamilya. Yung pala po dapat lang ay maghintay na lang kami matapos ang iniinom naming pineapple juice at ideklara ang koponan ng Kapamilya Liga. Kino-congratulate ko din po dahil po sa pagkakataon ngayon ay dalawa po ang Liga Director ng District 2 sa katauhan po ni Chairman Joey Ejercito at pong bagong halal na Director ng Liga na si Michael Jordan po. Alam ko po na sa pamumuno ng ating kagalang-galang na butihing Lei Lacuna ay malayo pa po ang mararating ng ating mga kasamang tumutugon sa problema ng lahat ng chairman dito sa Kamaynilaan. Muli po, taus-puso po ang pagbati ko at sobrang kagalakan po na muli po ay patuloy na makapaglilingkod sa atin ang ating kasamahang si Lei Lacuna. Maraming salamat po. Lei, congrats. Love you.
Councilor JTBB Villanueva.
Maraming salamat, Ginoong Tagapangulo. Ang inyo pong lingkod ay sumusuporta rin at kinukongratulate ang ating muling magpapatuloy ng kanyang magpapatuloy ng kanyang serbisyo sa barangayan. Tayo po ay nabigyan din ho ng pagkakataong maging Vice Presidente ng Liga ng mga Barangay at batid ko po ang hirap na makisama sa 896, hindi lang ho punong barangay, kundi lahat ng barangay officials. So libo-libo po ito. At despite of that, na maranasan niya sa kanyang unang termino, ang hirap ng pamamalakad sa barangayan ay muli niyang tinanggap ang hamon ng muling pamunuan ang Liga ng mga Barangay at kaya po ang inyong lingkod ay bumabati at I wish all the best sa ating muli magpapatuloy na Liga President, Dr. Ley Lacuna. Maraming po salamat.
Councilor
Magandang hapon po sa lahat. Gusto ko lang pong magpakita rin ng aking suporta sa aking kapatid, my brother in arms, Sister Ley. Mahaba na rin ang pinagsama namin sa laban at napatunayan ko yung loyalty niya. Kaya maraming salamat. Isa sa mga pinakamagaling na Liga President. Kaya ko lang nasabing pinakamagaling kasi wala po rito yung kanyang kapatid na si Philip, na angal sigurado. Pero anyway, congratulations, sister. Keep it up and we love you. Maraming salamat po.
Councilor Jesus Tagapardo Jr.
Thank you, Your Honor. Unang-una, congratulations po, Ma'am Ley. At sa akin din po, mga dating kasama po ng barangay, naniniwala po ako na hindi masayang yung kanilang pagsuporta kay Dr. Ley. Kasi po, alam ko naman at subok talaga ng mga tested ang mga lakuna pagdating sa Liga ng mga Barangay sa pag-aasikaso sa lahat ng bagay. Kaya, Ma'am Ley, andito lang po ako kung ano mang kaya ko may tulong bilang dating Liga Director sa pamumuno ni Consiel Philip Lacuna. Thank you, Your Honor.
Councilor Maile Atienza.
I just want to also congratulate ang kaibigan ko si Consi Ley Lacuna. Very much deserved and well-deserved. And talagang once a public servant, always a public servant. Sigurado ako nakatingin ngayon sa iyo si Vice Mayor Danny Lacuna. You make him proud and continue on with your services. Congratulations.
Meron pa po ba? Kung wala na po, Majority Floor Leader.
With that, Your Honor, I move that we close the period of discussion and debate.
There is a motion by the Majority Floor Leader to close the period of discussion and debate. Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved.
I move, Your Honor, that we dispense with the period of amendments.
There is a motion by the Majority Floor Leader to dispense the period of amendments. Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved.
I move, Your Honor, that we approve a resolution accepting Dr. Leilani Marie H. Lacuna as an ex-officio member of the Sangguniang Panglungsod representing the Liga ng mga Barangay, City of Manila.
There is a motion by the Majority Floor Leader to approve a resolution accepting Leilani Marie H. Lacuna as an ex-officio member of the Sangguniang Panglungsod representing the Liga ng mga Barangay, City of Manila. Is there any second to the motion? Seconded by Consiel Jesus Tagapardo Jr., Consiel Nino de la Cruz, Consiel Ian Bansay Nieva, Consiel Bobby Lim, Consiel Marjon Isidro, Consiel Dr. J. Benaventura, Consiel Rod Laksamana, Consiel Maki Lacson, Consiel Apol Nieto Rodriguez, Consiel Pamela Pascual Pugoso, Consiel Tol Sarcal, Consiel Terence Alibarbar, Consiel Maile Atienza, Consiel Uno Lim, Consiel Irma Alfonso Huson, Consiel DJ Bagaching, Consiel Attorney Chris Bacani, Consiel Science Reyes, Consiel JTB Villanueva, Consiel Attorney Lady Quintos, Consiel Daris Borromeo, Consiel Monyo Panco, Consiel Attorney JB Hison, Consiel Bobby Espiritu, Consiel Caloy Castañeda, Consiel Fogabante, Consiel Elmer Par, Consiel Lou Biloso. Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved.
Congratulations again.
Congratulations, Ate Ley, Consiel Ley Lacuna. At siyempre, sa inyong mga kasamang nagwagi kay Vice President Edwin Aga Simbulan ng District 1, kay Auditor Jaime Jim Villegas, District 5, Board Director Siegfried Bobby Hernane, District 1, Joselito Itoy Ejercito, District 2, Michael Jordan Castillo, District 2, Elisa Franco, District 3, Ramon Bong Marsan, District 4, Erwin Molina, District 4, Basilia Basha Boliche, District 5, Erica Platon, District 5. Congratulations po sa inyong lahat. Majority Floor Leader.
Your Honor, we are now on item number 4. May I ask our Secretary to please resume the reading of the items.
Mr. Secretary.
Item number 4, first endorsement of Attorney Pilarita T. Lapitan, Assistant Ombudsman Proper, Office of the Ombudsman, Agham Road, Diliman, Quezon City, relative to the complaint of Mr. Joselito E. Chavez of Sampaloc, Manila, against Punong Barangay Danilo Espino of Barangay 581, Zone 57, District 4, Manila, for appropriate action as per basic papers.
I move, Your Honor, that we refer item number 4 to the Committee on Barangay Affairs.
There is a motion by the Majority Floor Leader to refer item number 4 to the Committee on Barangay Affairs. Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved.
We are now on item number 5. Staff Ordinance 8550 is for second reading. The Committee on Transportation have rendered their committee report. I move that we adopt the committee report of the Committee on Transportation.
There is a motion by the Majority Floor Leader. Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved.
I move, Your Honor, that we open the period of discussion debate.
There is a motion by the Majority Floor Leader to open the period of discussion and debate. Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved.
May I seek recognition of Principal Author, Honorable Konsihal Joel T. Villanueva.
Pinikilala ang kagalang-galang Councilor Joel T. Villanueva.
Maraming pasalamat, Ginoong Tagapangulo, at sa aking iniidolong punong mayorya. Thank you po. Ito pong nakasalang ngayong hapon ay isang simpleng ordinansa na tumatalakay sa pag-amyenda ng Section 2A ng ating City Ordinance number 7755 under Tricycle Terminals as amended, kung saan ay binabalangkas po nito ang area ng Lardizabal, España, Tricycle Operators and Drivers Association. At kaya po ako'y nagpapasalamat sa chairman ng Committee on Transportation kung saan dumaan po ito sa committee hearing at masugid na tinanong ng ating chairman at mga miyembro nito ang aplikasyon na ito ng nasabing tricycle operators. Kaya ho, maraming pong salamat at ito po ay naisalang na po sa ikalawang pagbasa.
Majority Floor Leader.
With that, Your Honor, I move that we close the period of discussion debate.
There is a motion by the Majority Floor Leader to close the period of discussion and debate. Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved.
I move, Your Honor, that we dispense with the period of amendments.
There is a motion by the Majority Floor Leader to close the period of amendments. Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved.
I move, Your Honor, that we approve draft ordinance number 8550, an ordinance further amending section 2.A of City Ordinance number 7755 under tricycle terminals as amended by including therein the loading and unloading area of Lardizabal, España Tricycle Operators and Drivers Association, Inc., and section 2 of ordinance number 7871 as amended by including therein a route measure capacity. Principal Author, Councilor Joel T. Villanueva.
There is a motion by the Majority Floor Leader to approve draft ordinance number 8550, an ordinance further amending section 2A of City Ordinance number 7755 under tricycle terminals as amended by including therein the loading and unloading area of Lardizabal, España Tricycle Operators and Drivers Association, Inc., and section 2 of Ordinance number 7871 as amended by including therein route measure capacity, authored by Councilor Joel T. Villanueva. Is there any second to the motion? Seconded by Consejero Jesus Tagapardo Jr., Consejero Nino de la Cruz, Consejero Irma Alfonso Uson, Consejero Ian Bansay Nieva, Consejero Marjon Isidro, Consejero Dr. J. Benaventura, Consejero Uno Lim, Consejero Rol Lacsamana, Consejero Maki Lacson, Consejero Apol Nieto Rodriguez, Consejero Papo Goso Pascual, Consejero Tol Sargal, Consejero Terence Rebarbar, Consejero Mayla Chensa, Consejero DJ Bagatsing, Consejero Attorney Chris Bacani, Consejero Science Res, Consejero Attorney Lady Quintos, Consejero Laris Borromeo, Consejero Monyo Panco, Konsehal Attorney J. Bison, Konsehal Bobby Espiritu, Konsehal Ley Lacuna, Konsehal Elmer Par, Konsehal Lou Biloso, Konsehal Kaloy Castañeda. Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved.
Your Honor.
Councilor JTB.
Your Honor, ako po ay nagpapasalamat sa pagsusog ng ating mga kasamahan sa aking proposed ordinance, and I just would like to make a manifestation that my fellow councilors from District 4 be made as co-principal authors of this proposed ordinance. Maraming salamat.
1 minute recess declared by the chair.
The plan includes Plaza Calderon redevelopment, Santa Ana Key redevelopment, Liwasang Balagtas redevelopment, Lambingan Bridge enhancement, Manila aims to promote preservation of nature through its greening program, hoping to infuse air purification, widening of street walks, and ensuring safety everywhere are all major components of the said improvement plan. Moreover,
The principal author, Honorable Darwin B. Sia, I move to defer action on item number 6.
There is a motion by the majority floor leader to defer item number 6. Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved.
Your Honor, we have several other resolutions and ordinances that we need to approve today but do not form part of the agenda. With that, I move that we suspend the rules.
There is a motion by the majority floor leader to suspend the rules. Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved.
The first is resolution authorizing the use of the PagCorp Trust Fund in the amount of 27,776,000 intended to defer expenses in connection with the poverty alleviation program of the city. I will be honored that we tackle on the floor said draft resolution.
There is a motion by the majority floor leader to tackle the said draft resolution. Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved.
Your Honor, the PagCorp is very much willing to endow the City of Manila unspecified amount to be used as additional sustenance for social services. The Chief Executive of the City has requested for authority for the disbursement of the amount in connection with the poverty alleviation program of the City, which shall be in accordance with Section 2 of Ordinance Number 8464, subject to existing auditing and auditing rules and regulations and other relevant issuances. With that, Your Honor, I move that we dispense with the period of discussion, debate, and amendments.
There is a motion by the majority floor leader to dispense the period of discussion and debate and amendments. Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved.
I move, Your Honor, that we approve resolution authorizing the use of the PagCorp Trust Fund in the amount of 27,776,000 intended to defray expenses in connection with the poverty alleviation program of the city.
There is a motion by the majority floor leader to approve a resolution authorizing the use of the Philippine Amusement and Games Corporation, PAGCOR, Trust Fund in the amount of 27,776,000 pesos intended to defray expenses in connection with the poverty alleviation program of the city. Is there any second to the motion? Seconded by Consejal Jesus Tagapardo Jr., Consejal Nino de la Cruz, Consejal Irma Alfonso Uson, Consejal Ian Bansay Nieva, Consejal Bobby Lim, Consejal Marjon Isidro, Consejal Dr. J. Benaventura, Consejal Uno Lim, Consejal Rod Laksamana, Consejal Maki Lacson, Consejal Apple Nieto Rodriguez, Consejal Papu Goso Pascual, Consejal Tol Sarcal, Consejal Terence Alibarbar, Consejal Miley Atienza, Consejal DJ Bagajing, Consejal Attorney Chris Bocani, Consejal Science Reyes, Consejal JTB Villanueva, Consejal Attorney Lady Quintos, Consejal Laris Borromeo, Consejal Monyo Pango, Consejal Chari Ortega, Consejal Attorney JB Ison, Consejal Bobby Espiritu, Consejal Coloy Castañeda, Consejal Fogabante, Consejal Ley Lacuna, Consejal Lou Biloso, Consejal Elmer Bar. Is there an objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved.
The next, Your Honor, is resolution recognizing and commending the efforts of Mayor Hani Lacuna in securing the seal of registration from the National Privacy Commission. Principal author, Honorable Numero G. Lim. I move, Your Honor, that we tackle on the floor said draft resolution.
There is a motion by the majority floor leader. Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved.
May I seek recognition of Honorable Numero G. Lim.
Kinikilala ng apag ang kagalang-galang Honorable Numero G. Lim.
paano kagad kayo atihanin ito? Dahil
Thank you, Your Honor. Your Honor, honorable council members, esteemed colleagues, this is just a simple resolution honoring our mayor, beloved Mayor Hani Lacuna, Lacuna's significant achievement in obtaining the seal of registration from the National Privacy Commission. This landmark accomplishment, Your Honor, signifies more than just compliance with the Data Privacy Act of 2023. It represents our unwavering dedication to protecting the personal and sensitive information of our valued citizens. So under Mayor Lacuna's visionary leadership, Manila has set a benchmark in data privacy and security. So ensuring that every resident's information is handled with the highest level of integrity and confidentiality. So let us all commend this exemplary leadership of our beloved Mayor and pledge our continued support for such vital initiatives of our Mayor in the future. Sana supportan po natin tong resolution na to. Maraming salamat po.
With that, Your Honor, I move that we dispense with the period of discussion, debate, and amendments.
There is a motion by the majority floor leader to dispense the period of discussion and debate and amendments. Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved.
I move, Your Honor, that we approve resolution recognizing and commending the efforts of Mayor Hani Lacuna in securing the seal of registration from the National Privacy Commission.
There is a motion by the majority floor leader to approve a resolution recognizing and commending the efforts of Mayor Hani Lacuna in securing the seal of registration from the National Privacy Commission, authored by Principal Honorable Numero G. Lim. Is there any second to the motion? Seconded by Consel Jesus Tagapardo Jr., Consel Nino de la Cruz, Consel Irma Alfonso Huson, Consel Marjon Isidro, Consel Dr. J. Benaventura, Consel Maki Lacson, Consel Apo Nieto Rodriguez, Consel Papo Goso Pascual, Consel Mayle Atienza, Consel Tol Sarcal, Consel Rod Lacsamana, Consel DJ Bagaching, Consel Attorney Chris Bacani, Consel Science Reyes, Consel JTB Villanueva, Consel Attorney Chris Lady Quintos, Consel Laris Borameo, Consel Monyo Pango, Consel Chari Ortega, Consel Attorney JB Ison, Consel Bobby Espiritu, Consel Boisip, Consel Ley Lacuna, Consel Fogabante, Consel Caloy Castañeda, Consel Lou Veloso, Consel Elmer Par. Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved.
The next, Your Honor, is resolution urging PhilHealth to implement a 30% increase in benefits and coverage in line with the 2024 premium rate increase. Principal author, Honorable Numero G. Lim. I move, Your Honor, that we tackle on the floor said draft resolution.
There is a motion by the majority floor leader to tackle the said draft resolution. Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved.
May we seek recognition of Honorable Lim.
Councilor Numero G. Lim is recognized.
Your Honor, thank you. To our honorable members of the City Council of Manila, Your Honors, I rise today in unwavering support of the resolution urging the Philippine Health Insurance Corporation, or PhilHealth, to implement a 30% increase in benefits and coverage. This resolution, championed by Agri Party List Representative Wilbert Lee, is a crucial step towards ensuring accessible and affordable health care for our citizens. Your Honor, in the year 2024, the representative question resounds deeply. What is PhilHealth waiting for? We cannot deny the urgency of this matter. Many among us live in fear of crippling medical expenses, and this resolution seeks to alleviate that burden. So with PhilHealth's robust financial position at 467 billion pesos, and a planned premium rates increase this year, it started on January this year. Now is the time to act. So, Your Honors, by endorsing this resolution, we send a resounding message that the City Council of Manila stands united in safeguarding the health and well-being of our people. So let us together make quality health care a reality for all, where Filipinos can seek medical treatment without the heavy financial toll. Thank you po.
Salamat.
With that, Your Honor, I move that we dispense with the period of discussion, debate, and amendments.
There is a motion by the majority floor leader to dispense the period of discussion and debate and amendments. Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved.
I move, Your Honor, that we approve a resolution urging PhilHealth to implement a 30% increase in benefits and coverage in line with the 2024 premium rate increase.
There is a motion by the majority floor leader to approve a resolution urging PhilHealth to implement a 30% increase in benefits and coverage in line with the 2024 premium rate increase. Principal author, Honorable Numero G. Lim. Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved.
Your Honor.
Councilor Unalim?
Your Honor, just like to manifest that the previous resolution I filed a while ago about a resolution recognizing and commending the efforts of Mayor Hani Lacuna in securing the seal of registration from the National Privacy Commission, I would like to manifest that all councilors present at this time be co-principal author of this resolution, including, of course, our regular presiding officer, Vice Mayor Yul Sarbonieto.
Maraming salamat, Councilor Unalim.
Your Honor, just like to manifest also that the copy of this resolution be forwarded to the Office of the National Privacy Commission.
Sir Secretary, please take note of the manifestation by the sponsor.
The next, Your Honor, is resolution of the City Council of Manila. 1 minute recess, Your Honor.
1 minute recess declared by the chair.
Hoping to infuse air purification, widening of street walks, and ensuring safety everywhere are all major
Resolution of City Council of Manila commending and supporting CSC employee for tenured government employees. Principal author, Honorable Numero G. Lim. I move, Your Honor, that we tackle on the floor said draft resolution.
There is a motion by the majority floor leader to tackle the said draft resolution. Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved.
Your Honor.
Councilor Unalim?
To our esteemed City Council members, I am proud to sponsor a resolution endorsing Civil Service Commission Policy Number 2301123. This policy holds immense significance for our dedicated government employees with over a decade of service. Introduced by the Civil Service Commission, this policy grants preferential ratings and additional points in the civil service examination to these deserving individuals. So this policy covers a wide spectrum of government workers, including contractual and non-eligible employees. So by endorsing this resolution, we express our commitment to recognizing and appreciating their unwavering dedication to public service. Your Honor, as a representatives of Manila, it is our responsibility to advocate for fairness and appreciation in our government institutions. This resolution aligns with those principles and contributes to the betterment of our city. I urge all our honorable council members to support this resolution, emphasizing our respect for long-serving government employees and our dedication to excellence. Thank you for your attention. Your Honor, this resolution just want to give additional points. Kunwari, tayo po ay nag-exam po ng civil service exam. Kung tayo po ay umabot lamang sa 70%, ang passing mo ay 80%, pero kung po kayo ay naka 10 years na po, yung 10 years na po yon ay may points po kayo. So yung 70, hindi kayo babagsak, i-plus po yung 10 points na yon para pumasa ho kayo doon sa civil service exam. Ito ho, para ho mas mapadili, lalo-lalo na ho yung sa mga contractual po natin, yung mga JO po natin, kung sila ho ay nahihirapan pumasa ho sa civil service exam, at kung sila ho ay may 70 o kung naka 12 years po, i-compute po kung ilan po yung kanila hong years. And I believe yun ay idadagdag po sa kanila hong civil service exam. Kaya ho, sana itong resolution na to, i-encourage po natin lahat po, Your Honor, ang ating mga government employees, lalong-lalo na mga contractual at mga JO, na sila ho ay mag-try ho na mag-exam ng civil service. Dahil ito po yung ino-offer ngayon ng Civil Service Commission. Maraming salamat po. Sana supportan po ng ating mga kasama itong nasabing resolution.
With that, Your Honor, I move that we dispense with the period of discussion and debate. I withdraw the said motion, Your Honor. I move that we open the period of discussion debate.
There is a motion by the majority floor leader to open the period of discussion and debate. Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved. Councilor Rod Laksamana is recognized.
Thank you, Your Honor. I'd just like to congratulate Councilor Unolim for the possible passing of this proposed resolution, Your Honor. I just want to make just one question to for clarificatory regarding this proposed resolution, Your Honor. Does the 10 years, say for example, the employee that we have as a JO had 10 years experience, 10 years service in the city of Manila. Does the qualification for the pro, sub-pro, and professional examinees, are we going to allow also to adopt the 10 years experience to the sub-pro examinees and the professional examinees, Your Honor? Does it both apply to both classifications of exam, Your Honor?
Councilor Unolim.
Your Honor, ito po ay applicable po sa lahat po ng government employees. Kasama na ho yung mga professional, mga graduates, mga JO and contractual employees. So hinihikayat po sila na makapag-exam.
Councilor Rod Laksamana.
Yeah, salamat po. Maraming salamat po sa pagsagot ni Councilor Unolim. Niliwanag ko lamang po kasi po baka mamaya merong nagmumuni-muni yung mga undergrad na pag-exam nila ng sub-pro, baka hindi nila ma-apply yung 10 years length of service nila sa City of Manila. With the answer of Councilor Unolim, maraming salamat po. Salamat po, Your Honor.
Thank you.
With that, Your Honor, I move that we close the period of discussion debate.
There is a motion by the majority floor leader to close the period of discussion and debate. Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved.
Your Honor.
Councilor Unolim.
I move, Your Honor, that we... I move that we open the period of amendments.
There is a motion by the majority floor leader to open the period of amendments. Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved. Councilor Unolim.
Your Honor, in the title, just like to delete a resolution of the City Council of Manila. So, tanggalin na lang yung of the City Council of Manila. And title na lang po nila ay a resolution commending and supporting CESC policy for tenured government employees.
With that, Your Honor, I move that we close the period of amendments.
There is a motion by the majority floor leader to close the period of amendments. Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved.
Your
I move
Honor.
it.
Ay, approve na. Approve na, boss. Manifest.
I move, Your Honor, that we approve a resolution commending and supporting CSC policy for tenured government employees, as amended.
There is a motion by the majority floor leader to approve the said resolution. Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved.
Your Honor.
Councilor Unolim.
Your Honor, just like to manifest that all councilors present at this time be co-principal author of this resolution, including our regular presiding officer, Vice Mayor Yul Serbonieto, and also if we can furnish a copy of this resolution to Civil Service Commission Office. Thank you, Your Honors. Maraming salamat po.
Maraming salamat, Councilor Unolim. Mr. Secretary, please take note of the manifestation made by the sponsor. Majority Floor Leader.
The next, Your Honor, is resolution declaring that portion of Barangay 849, 850, and 852 in the 6th District of Manila, which was ruined by fire on 11 January 2024, a calamity area. Principal author, Honorable Elmer M. Parr. I move the honor that we tackle on the floor said draft resolution.
There is a motion by the Majority Floor Leader to tackle the said draft resolution. Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved.
May I seek recognition of Honorable Elmer M. Parr.
Councilor Elmer Par is recognized.
Maraming salamat po, Ginoong Tagapangulo. Ang resolution po ito ay paghingi po ng suporta sa 12 City Council upang matugunan po at agarang mabigyan ng calamity fund ang nasabing 3 barangay po sa Zone 93. Ang mga barangay po na nasunugan ay talagang napakalaki po ng naging damage at napulbos po ang kanilang mga tahanan. Sa barangay 849 po kay Chairman Reynaldo de Guzman ay may nasunugan po na 103 families, 327 individuals. Sa barangay 852 po ay may 45 families and 168 individuals. At ang barangay po na pinagmulan ng sunog ay ang barangay 850 na meron pong 286 families at 898 individuals. Ako rin po ay nagpapasalamat sa agarang pagdating po ng Manila Department of Social Welfare. Maraming salamat po kay Direktora Re Fogoso at syempre sa Direktor ng Bureau of Fire Protection kay Ma'am Christine Kula at sa ating pong mayora na patuloy pong tumatawag at nagmamonitor habang pong lumalagablab at nilalamon po ng apoy ang 3 barangay. At tuloy-tuloy naman po ang pakain at binigay na tulong po ng iba't ibang organisasyon at ng aking mga kapwa konsyal sa Distrito 6. At ang paghingi po at pagtugon upang maging calamity area at declaring po as state of calamity area ang 3 barangay ng 849, 850 at 852 ay hiningin ko po ng suporta sa ating council. Maraming salamat po.
Maraming salamat, Councilor Elmer Par. Meron pa po bang nais magsabi?
I move, Your Honor, that we open the period of discussion and debate.
There is a motion by the majority floor leader to open the period of discussion and debate. Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved. Councilor Lubiloso is recognized.
Thank you, Your Honor. Magandang hapon po. Kami po sa Distrito 6 ay humingi po ng pakiusap sa mga kasamahan natin dito sa 12 Council na samahan kami sa pagdadalamhati sa mga constituent namin dito sa parte ng Pandakan. 3 barangay po yan na talaga namang ikinagulat ng marami dahil sa ang aga-aga ay sumiklab ang napakalaking sunog na andun po ako nung araw ng may sunog na yan at talaga namang tarantang-taranta mga tao, mga bata, mga magulang. Kaya hinihiling ko po na samahan ang kami sa pagpasa nitong hinihingi pong budget ng 3 barangay sa Dapo, sa Ilang-Ilang, at sa parte po ng Pandakan. Maraming salamat po.
Maraming salamat. Councilor Caloy Castañeda. Go ahead.
Your Honor, may I?
Councilor Caloy Castañeda.
Maraming salamat po, Your Honor. Your Honor, ako po ay nagpapahiwatig ng aking 100% na pagsang-ayon sa panukalang resolution po ni Konsehal Par. Dahil kailangan naman po talaga magkaroon ng deklarasyon ng calamity area sa nabanggit na lugar dahil ang dami pong naapektuhan ng sunog. Bilang isang konsehal po na ika-6 na distrito, sana po kung pahihintulutan ng pangunahing may akda na makasama po si Konsehal Philip Lacuna, Konsehal Pogabante, si Konsehal Lubeloso at ang inyong lingkod sa listahan po ng mga pangunahing may akda. Maaari po ba yun, Konsehal Elmer Par?
Thank you po. Councilor Elmer Par.
Ginoong Tagapangulo, ako po ay nagpapahayag na mapabilang po bilang principal authors ang Liga ng mga Barangay Director, si Konsyala Leilani Lacuna, 10 po ng hanay ng mga konsyal ng Distrito 6, Konsyal Caloy Castañeda, Konsyal Philip Lacuna, Konsyal Fog Abante, at Konsyal Lo Biloso. At kung maaari po, pati po si Konsyal Joey Oy.
Noted. Mr. Secretary, please take note of that manifestation. Majority Floor Leader. Councilor Boy Isip is recognized.
Maraming salamat po, Ginoong Tagapangulo. Nais ko lamang kunin ang pagkakataong ito na pasalamatan din po yung mga fire volunteer po natin na sa amin pong distrito, yung Paco Volunteer Fire Brigade at yung San Andres Fire and Rescue ay ilan sa mga volunteer po natin na unang dumating po doon sa scene ng sunog na nais ko lamang mabanggit at ma-put in record ang ating taus-pusong pasasalamat bilang isang konseho ng Maynila. Yun lamang po, Your Honor.
Maraming salamat, Councilor Boy Isip. Councilor Philip Lacuna is recognized.
Maraming salamat, Mr. Presiding Officers. Na-manifest na rin naman po ni Councilor Caloy Castañeda yung pangalan ng inyong lingkod. Ngunit I'd just like to reiterate that I hope I be included as co-principal author in this resolution, Your Honor. Maraming salamat.
Thank you.
With that, Your Honor, I move that we close the period of discussion and debate.
There is a motion by the Majority Floor Leader to close the period of discussion and debate. Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved.
I move, Your Honor, that we dispense with the period of amendments.
There is a motion to dispense the period of amendments. Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved.
I move, Your Honor, that we approve a resolution declaring that portion of Barangay 849, 850, and 852 in the 6th District of Manila, which was ruined by fire on 11 January 2024, a calamity area.
There is a motion by the Majority Floor Leader to approve a resolution declaring the portion of Barangay 849, 850, and 852 in the 6th District of Manila, which was ruined by fire on 11 January 2024, a calamity area. Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved.
Na-manifest mo yung authorship.
Maraming salamat po sa pagsuporta po sa resolusyong ito, sa pagdedeklara po ng state of calamity sa 3 barangay na meron pong 434 families at 1,393 individuals. I would like also to manifest na maging principal author po ang lahat po ng konsyal sa Distrito 6 ng Maynila at maging co-author po ang lahat po ng mga konsyal na present po ngayon. Maraming salamat po.
Maraming salamat, Councilor Elmer Par. Mr. Secretary, please take note of that manifestation. Majority Floor Leader.
The next, Your Honor, is resolution adopting the Zoning Board Resolutions number 23 and 24 of the Manila Board for Zoning Appeals, years of 2023. I move, Your Honor, that we tackle on the floor said draft resolution.
There is a motion by the Majority Floor Leader to tackle the said draft resolution. Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved.
Your Honor, the Manila Board for Zoning Appeals under the City Planning and Development Office passed Zoning Board Resolution number 23 with respect to a recommendation for variance of a proposed TKL headquarters located at Oroqueta Corner A. Lorenzo Jr. Street, Santa Cruz, City of Manila, owned by TKL Steel Corporation. The applicant submitted its letter of intent, barangay resolution of no objection, visible project signs, as well as other documents specified in the proposed resolutions. With respect to Zoning Board Resolution number 24, it's a recommendation for variance of a proposed 30-story building with roof deck owned by Prime Fields Holding Corporation located at 2044 CM Recto Avenue, Quiapo. Similar to Resolution number 23, the applicant submitted its letter of intent, barangay resolution of no objection, visible project sign, as well as all the other documents listed under this resolution. With that, Your Honor, I move that we dispense with the period of discussion, debate, and amendments.
There is a motion by the majority floor leader to dispense the period of discussion and debate and amendments. Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved.
I move, Your Honor, that we approve a resolution adopting the Manila Board for Zoning Appeals Resolutions numbers 23 and 24, series of 2023.
There is a motion by the majority floor leader. Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved.
The next is resolution congratulating and commending the San Beda Red Lions for winning the NCAA 23rd Men's Basketball title held in Araneta Coliseum on December 17, 2023. Principal author, Honorable Benny Fagti Abante III, Councilor District 6. I move, Your Honor, that we tackle on the floor said draft resolution.
There is a motion by the majority floor leader to tackle the said draft resolution. Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved.
May I seek recognition for Honorable Benny Fagti Abante III.
Councilor Benny Fogti Abante III is recognized.
Thank you, Your Honor. Just want to request the support of all my fellow councilors, especially those coming from San Beda, to congratulate the San Beda Red Lions in their championship title that they won last December 17, 2023. Maraming salamat po.
Majority floor leader.
With that, Your Honor, I move that we dispense with a period of discussion, debate, and amendments.
There is a motion by the majority floor leader to dispense the period of discussion and debate and amendments. Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved.
I move, Your Honor, that we approve a resolution congratulating and commending the San Beda Red Lions for winning the NCAA 23rd Men's Basketball title held in Araneta Coliseum on December 17, 2023.
There is a motion by the majority floor leader to approve a resolution congratulating and commending the San Beda Red Lions for winning the NCAA 23rd Men's Basketball title held in Araneta Coliseum on December 17, 2023. Authored by Honorable Benny Fogti Abante III. Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved. Congratulations.
Maraming salamat po. I also want to manifest na yung mga kasama ko pong konsehal that came from San Beda, namely Majority Floor Leader Jong Isip, Konsehal JB Ison, and Konsehal Lady Quintos Tan be co-principal authors of this resolution. Thank you.
The next is resolution expressing gratitude and commending the meritorious public service extended to the 1st District of the City of Manila by the late Gonzalo Salo P. Gonzales as a member of the City Council of Manila. Principal author, Honorable Councilor Dr. Irma Cruz Alfonso Huson. I move, Your Honor, that we tackle on the floor said draft resolution.
There is a motion by the majority floor leader to tackle the said draft resolution on the floor. Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved.
May I seek recognition of the principal author, Honorable Councilor Dr. Irma Cruz Alfonso Huson.
Pinikilala ng hapag ang kagalang-galang Councilor Irma C. Alfonso Huson mula sa District 1.
Thank you, Your Honor. Your Honor, ito po ay simpleng resolution ng pagkilala sa isang magaling na public servant na sumakabilang buhay na po. Si Honorable Salo or Gonzalo Salo Gonzales ng District 1, Manila, Your Honor. Siguro po, yung iba hindi siya kilala dito, pero nakasabay po namin siya ni Konsehal Isidro ng isang term, Your Honor. And si Salo po ang nagbaba ng kauna-unahang boxing sa kalye. Yun po ay ginagawa niya bilang parang recreation ng mga taga-Tondo. Siya po ay nagbababa taon-taon ng boxing sa kalye. Siya yung author nun, bale. At siya rin po ay kilala sa, kung matatandaan pa yung mga tao po sa Tondo, lahat kuya niya, koyang, tatang, nanay, tatay niya. Kaya nung huling term niya po, naging #1 councilor po siya sa District 1. Kaya siguro lang nalarapat po nating parangalan ang isang tunay na halal ng bayan. Siya po ay sumakabilang buhay noong December 31, 2023 dahil sa sakit na prostate cancer na nagmetastasize na sa lungs and bones. Noon po siya ay nandoon sa Laguna kasi doon na po siya nag-stay lately sa Laguna. So sana po suportahan ng aking mga kasama, lalo na sa District 1, ang simpleng resolution na ito na pagkilala sa isang magaling na halal ng bayan natin, Gonzalo Salo Gonzales. Thank you, Your Honor.
Maraming salamat po, Councilor Irma Alfonso Huson.
With that, Your Honor, I move that we dispense with the period of discussion, debate, and amendments.
There is a motion by the majority floor leader to dispense the period of discussion and debate and amendments. Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved.
I move, Your Honor, that we approve a resolution expressing gratitude and commending the meritorious public service extended to the First District of the City of Manila by the late Gonzalo Salo P. Gonzales as member of the City Council of Manila. Principal author, Honorable Council, Dr. Irma Cruz Alfonso Huson.
There is a motion by the majority floor leader to approve a resolution expressing gratitude and commending the meritorious public service extended to the First District of the City of Manila by the late Gonzalo Salo P. Gonzales as a member of the City Council of Manila, authored by Councilor Irma C. Alfonso Huson. Is there any second to the motion? Seconded by Consejal Jesus Tagapardo Jr., Consejal Nino de la Cruz, Consejal Bobby Lim, Consejal Marjon Isidro, Consejal Ian Bansay Nieva, Consejal Yanyan Ibay, Consejal Dr. J. Benaventura, Consejal Uno Lim, Consejal Rod Laksamana, Consejal Papu Goso Pascual, Consejal Tol Sarcal, Consejal Miley Atienza, Consejal DJ Bagatsing, Consejal Science Reyes, Consejal JTP Villanueva, Consejal Attorney Lady Quintos. Okay ka na, Tol? Consejal Boisip, Consejal Monyang Pangko, Consejal Bobby Espiritu, Consejal Attorney J. Bison, Consejal Fogabante, Consejal Ley Lacuna, Consejal Philip Lacuna, Consejal Caloy Castañeda, Consejal Lubiroso, Consejal Elmer Par. Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved. Consejal Irma Alfonso.
Thank you, Your Honor. Your Honor, gusto ko pong ipahayag na ang lahat po ng konsehal sa unang distrito ng Maynila ay co-principal author ko at yung ding mga konsehal na present ngayon ay kasama rin na author, including the regular presiding officer, Your Honor. And please, kindly, sana po ma-provide ng copy yung pamilya ng nasawi na si Gonzalo Gonzales through me, Your Honor. Ako na lang po ang magbibigay ng kopya na naipasa na natin ang recognition to Honorable Gonzalo Gonzales. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Councilor Irma Alfonso Huson. Mr. Secretary, please take note of the manifestation made by the sponsor.
Your Honor, we have no more items to discuss. I move that we lift the suspension of the rules.
There is a motion by the majority floor leader to suspend the...
To lift.
To leave the...
Suspension of the rules.
Suspension of the rules. Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved.
I move to adjourn.
Bago po natin adjourn, mga kasama, sa muling pagbalik po natin ngayon, welcome po sa ating lahat dito sa session hall. At meron lang po akong nais hingi po sa inyo ng tulong dahil kayo naman po ang makakagawa nito. Meron po kasi tayong plano ang City Council sa pangunguna po ni Attorney Lutz na nagsisimula na po sila para sa codification po ng mga ordinances natin, mga penal ordinance at ang susunod natin yung penal ordinance. Kaya bago po natin masimulan po sana yon, lahat po ng mga kailangan natin i-amend na ordinansa na mga luma po na hindi na po naaangkop sa ating panahon ngayon, baka pwede pong i-amend natin. Pero ang request lang po ng ating mayora po na idaan talaga sa committee po yung mga amendment po natin. At okay lang po ba sa inyo yun, mga kasama? Dahil okay po sa inyo yun, there is a motion by the majority floor leader to adjourn. Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved. Mga kasama, picture tayo.
pala nag-manage.